हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ एस्से द डॉक्टर। 250 वर्ड्स के साथ ये एस्से मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। द डॉक्टर इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन. He prescribes medicine when we are ill. He examines the sick to find out their troubles. Then he gives them medicine. Thus, he keeps many people alive and healthy. Our doctor helps us by making our pain and suffering less. A sick person must see the doctor or he and she may suffer and then die. Sometimes people die because they not have money to pay a doctor. Many times a doctor is not available in time. A doctor know how to treat and care sick people. He also knows as how to dress and heal wounds. He is very well trained man. A doctor is a great friend of the sick. Becoming a doctor is not an easy task. Educationally, it is a very challenging path to earn a degree with good knowledge and marks. She study a lot about medical treatments, their procedure and equipment, and after attaining a certain degree, they are allowed to start their own business, own practice. A doctor's life is very hard. He or she does not have much time for sleep and rest. He has to visit the sick. He has to remain on duty in the hospital. Even during night time, he might be required to visit a patient. A doctor fights with disease and death. He saves many lives. We should be grateful to the doctor. A doctor profession is noble. He has to remain always cheerful and smiling. He speaks softly to his patients. He is source of great hope and strength to the sick. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।